Well, the U.S. could have a fourth COVID-19 vaccine this fall, this one from Novavax. The Maryland company says it plans to apply for the FDA's emergency use authorization later this summer, and it's being studied here in Atlanta at the Morehouse School of Medicine. The Fox Medical team's Beth Galvin has the story.
About 30,000 volunteers in the U.S. and Mexico are part of this COVID-19 vaccine trial, and David White, a Decatur software sales rep and former UGA football player, is one of them. And he talked to us about why.
Back in January, as Georgians began to roll up their sleeves for COVID-19 shots and appointments were still hard to find, David White heard about a study at Morehouse School of Medicine of an experimental new COVID-19 vaccine made by the Maryland company Novavax.
Having been a part of what we're going through as a country and a nation and a world, I feel like there are certain opportunities for us to step up and do our part.
And there was another deeply personal reason White wanted to be a part of this research.
Having had my grandfather pass away from COVID last year, and his wife, my grandmother, also having COVID and surviving it, and a litany of other elderly in my network and in my household, I felt like, I could do my part by going out and using the opportunity that Morehouse School of Medicine provided us to get my vaccine earlier.
The U.S. already has 3 FDA-authorized COVID-19 vaccines, and nearly 41% of Americans are now fully vaccinated. But worldwide, only enough vaccine doses have been administered to fully vaccinate 12.7% of the world's population, according to the Bloomberg Vaccine Data Tracker. And Dr. Lily Immergluck, the principal investigator of the Morehouse School of Medicine arm of the Novavax study, says this vaccine could offer another tool to stop this coronavirus, and it's now being tested in teens from 12 to 17.
I really think, as a pediatrician and also an infectious disease specialist, we need to get the children vaccinated in order for us to really hang our hat on vaccine effectiveness.
And in a large phase 3 trial in the UK, the Novavax vaccine performed well, offering 96% protection against COVID-19 symptoms and 86 and 50% protection against the more contagious UK and South African variants of the virus. David White says he had a sore arm after his second dose, but that was about it.
We haven't had people with any severe adverse effects or, soreness of the arm. Maybe people feel tired, headache here or there. So from that standpoint, I'm really pleased about our site.
And Novavax has another vaccine that's in early development. It is a combination of its flu vaccine and its COVID-19 vaccine. For your Fox Medical team, I'm Beth Galvin.